Join the commercial cleaning industry with no upfront franchise fees. Sydney, New South Wales. Here's your opportunity to take control of your destiny with security, stability, and earning potential. Scooper is transforming the commercial cleaning industry and looking for business-minded agents. Due to COVID, cleaning has now become a top priority for most businesses, so the potential is huge. You will join a panel of available cleaners across Sydney, ready and looking for ongoing passive commercial cleaning clients. This is without the large upfront cost of a franchise, and you'll even get paid to train. Your Scooper Setup Pack incorporates equipment, training, uniforms, and more, and all the accounting is done for you. You only pay for the setup pack once your clients are assigned, which means absolutely no risk. In time, you will have the option of purchasing your respective client contracts and increasing your margins. Earn great money after hours and grow a stable, secure, commercial cleaning business with great earning potential.